smells like a lot of chopped up goodies. There it is, the cabbage, radish, apple, carrot. Now I've got to chop up some asparagus. And it's going to look a little bit different than this recipe, but so long as I make it and eat it, that's the key, isn't it? But it sure does look like a lot of food. There's my asparagus. So I'll chop that up and I'll just put that together with my salad. Tonight I've got my leftover salad. I've got leftover asparagus from today, which I'll use tomorrow. And I've got Brussels sprouts cooking in the pot. So it's just basically the same thing, except Brussels sprouts. And I'm feeling good. Tomorrow's another day, day 6. Well, that looks pretty appetizing. I'm going to see how I do with this. And if I can eat it all, I will. And there is more if I want more. I've made it look as beautiful as I possibly can to make it as attractive as I can. And now I'm going to sit down and enjoy my delicious meal. Good morning, day 6. Woohoo! Wow, 2/3 of the way through and I'm feeling great. I did stand on the scales this morning and I dropped a few more pounds, so that was a bonus. I've got my delicious smoothie, which is this morning papaya, pitaya and blueberries with a little bit of ginger. And I must admit the food, day 3, 4, 5, 6 really is pretty boring to me because I really enjoy preparing food in the kitchen. But that's okay. I found yesterday I actually preferred version 2 with the grated red cabbage and carrot and radish with all the greens. So I'm definitely going to do that again today. And I enjoyed the steamed Brussels sprouts and asparagus way more than I thought I would. So that's really awesome. And I've got to say though, the favourite part of my day is the morning with the lemon or lime water, the celery juice, and my liver detox smoothie. I could live on this. It's so good. It's illegal. So roll on to day 7, 8, and 9. I'm excited.